Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to hide profile photo from WhatsApp group. To hide your profile photo from WhatsApp group, you'll need to follow the steps. In order to do it so, you need to to hide the WhatsApp profile photo from a group or a specific contact, you could change your privacy settings. So first thing first, you want to go ahead and log into your account. After which you're logged into your account, then click the three dot icon from the top right and go to settings. As you go to settings, go to privacy, and underneath you could see the profile photo. So here you could go ahead and change it to nobody. Once you do it so, your profile photo will be hid in your WhatsApp group, or none of the contact will be able to see the WhatsApp. Or else you could also go to my contact except that you want to hide your profile photo from. So this is the way you could go ahead and hide profile photo from WhatsApp. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.